up, YouTube? It's your favorite motor vlogger, that guy they call Josh. So, I'm out on a nice little cruise. It is a little cool outside tonight. Cycle cruise. About the homemade, mic covers with the sock. So I'm trying this out right now. I'm going out for a little ride. I noticed, excuse me, Noble AZ, shout out to the homie who was messaging me on one of my videos saying that he can barely hear me. So I got the GoPro mic adapter to try that out and see if that helps out with anything, because I did have a cheap Amazon/eBay one. So yeah, and then I tried Cycle Cruise, if that's his name. Fuck. He said homemade baffling system for the speakers or whatever. The cover, you can just take socks and wrap your mic in and use duct tape. They didn't have any duct tape, but I had electrical tape. It does the same thing. You know, you put a sock over the end and everything else. But I didn't use any adhesive. I used some 3M tape for my mic to be secured because I have it right in the front of my mouth, so everyone can hear me, I hope. If not, my GoPro is messed up in the port, and I would have to send it in and get fixed. So, see what happens. Ooh, got him. Got him. Fucking neutral, damn it. I got this dumbass not gonna pay attention. Fucking dumbass. So yeah, what's going on here, guys? We're heading to a local race spot right now, and we just passed the car like a police officer, which they are assholes, but like we said, we're breaking the law right now. But yeah, I watched a preview of one of my videos that I just made about my bike mod, and the mic I think is doing a little bit better. It's a little way louder. So yeah, I think everything's gonna turn out pretty good. So let's see what happens. Alright, enjoy. Oh, bunch of fucking idiots. You gotta watch out.
I don't got it.
So yeah, just watch some street racing. I didn't film none. Don't want any of that stuff on my channel. I don't know why. So I got Dalton here, Dom, and two guys I don't know. We're just going back to the spot where the car meet was at. So maybe do a walkthrough or something. Let's see what happens. I'm really liking the new mic here with the awesome socks. So I hope it turns out good. I'm liking this new GoPro mount. So yeah, I want to thanks to Noble AZ for letting me know that my mic was probably messed up, and I'm just trying to troubleshoot it right now. Thanks, homie. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please hit that subscribe button and that like. Help me to help you so I can make more content for you guys and gals. Trying to, I want you guys to come with me on my adventures here. My life, my story. So that's what it is. Alright, dude. Peace. Much love.